Hello and welcome to today's video. As you can hear, I'm slowly getting better. I'm still drinking hot tea here, though with extra honey. Today we'll be creating HSL bus line 520, which is a trunk bus line. Now what does a trunk bus line mean? I've explained this to you before, but it's been several videos ago since I last created one. So I will now explain it again. The trunk bus lines are sort of bus lines for important routes, and they don't stop at all stops. So they're kind of like express lines between certain points where passenger demand is high. And we will start by creating a line. Usually trunk lines are orange, but in this universe, orange is reserved for metros in Helsinki, and bus lines will be blue. So 520 it is. After this trunk line, there are still, let me see, 4 trunk lines left to create. And I will create them whenever I sort of have finished that area, or the bus stops at that area. And the reason is the trunk lines don't stop at every stop, so the easiest way for me sorry. Easiest way for me to create lines is to first build all of the stops and then just select which stops I will stop at. So we start at the Matinkilometer station. We then stop at Kalaonni, then at Kalastarjankuja, then at Nuottalahti, at Nuottaniemi, at Nokkala, and at Matinlahti. So we stop at every stop in this area. Then we stop at Sepetlaneti, and then we stop at Akselinpolku. Then again at Matinkilometer station. Then at Piispanaukia. Then, wait, we skip Piispanristi. Yes, we actually skip Piispanristi. And then we stop at Meteorisilta. We stop at Auringon katu. We stop at Itäportti. Yeah, we would stop there at Ylismäenristi, but we stop at Ylismäenristi. Forget Ylisrinne. After Ylismäenristi, we will then stop at Suurpellon aukio, and then at Lukutori. Then we'll stop at Henttaan aukio, and then at Nihtisilta, which means we'll be going all the way here. And let's see which Nihtisilta stop it shall be then. And actually, I think I'm gonna join that ring road in here. That's absolutely right, so I will need to build a new junction here. And let's see first. It's gonna be a highway, and just to make shit easier, I will... Let's see if this would be possible. Yes, it is possible to create a new platform for Nihtisilta stop over there, meaning that I could just connect with the highway easily enough in here. Then let's see how I will get back from the highway. That's also one questionable thing here. So the exit from the highway will then happen in here. Quite an interesting interpretation of things, this crossing, but okay. So there we stop at Nihtisilta. And then we stop at Turvesolmu, I think. That's correct. And after Turvesolmu... Oh dear. If our following stop is called Sateri, it means that I will be going up this ramp here. Let's see now. Where the hell is this ramp going to? This is an impossible solution. I mean, really? Really? Who plans these? I'm sorry, I need to sneeze. I mean, could you have made things any more difficult than this? And the answer probably is no, couldn't. Tried to, but couldn't. There we go. So, back to lines. And after Turvesolmu, our following stop is at Sateri. Then we stop at the Leppävaara station. We stop at... okay, what happens then? We'll answer that phone call later. So the following stops are Mäkkylä and Tie. Over there. But where's Mäkkylä Metsä? Where is this thing going to? Oh, over there. Okay. Okay, now I see. So let's move the track building to a city road fast. And once again, a very, very interesting intersection here. And there we go. So Mäkkylantie is over there. Then we'll go back to the city road. Create the city road between these two stops, these 2 points in here. Move the signals a bit. And then add some signals in here. And the way back to this steered fast happens through a ramp in here. No, I probably else. No, those signals are fine. Good, good. So back to steered fast is from here. And from here, and from there, and from there. And after that, what we still have to do is we have to go back to city road and build a junction into here. Then we will still add some signals, mainly to this ramp in here. And then I think I've got it covered. So, we stop at Mäkkylantie. And then we stop next at Mäkkylän Metsä, which is over here. Bingo. After Mäkkylän Metsä, we stop at Lotankatu. Then we stop at Continuity. Then we stop at Uusmäki. At Alokasti. And what happens then is that we're somehow going to teleport this goddamn bus to this highway in here. There we go. What a line, actually. I mean, not many new stops. Not a single new stop at the moment, I think, but if I remember correctly, but a lot of different junctions to build. A lot of different route options, which haven't existed previously. Very refreshing. I think also junctions have been interesting. So, after that stop, we teleport ourselves to Vapaalan polku. And over there, oh, you can't turn right there. Well, soon you can. There we go. Okay, there is no collision there. And there we go. Then let's move the signals a bit. Add a couple of new ones over there and over there. And then build the blueprints. And then we can stop really at Vapaalan polku. And then we stop at Lastutie. We stop at Rappavuorentie. We stop at Iskostie. We stop at the Myyrmäki station. We stop at Ojapolku. And we stop at the Louhela station over here. And finally we stop at the Martinlaakso station over here. And then let's go back all the way. probably gonna stop at the Aseveltia stop because it's a one-way stop. And then we're gonna head to the highway. And now let's see if this junction was correct. Okay, it wasn't correct. Please explain me what's wrong here. I mean, you should be able to go this way, right? But you've chosen another route. For some strange reason, which is also a very strange route, which means there is something wrong with this ramp. I mean, it's not connected or something. Well, it should be connected in there. It should be connected in here. And what the hell is the matter with you? It's even... oh, wait. I think the issue is here. Yeah, the issue is here. The issue is right here. This part is not connected. Now it should be good. So after the Leppävaara station stop, we stop at Sateri. And now let's see if that thing got fixed. Positive, it got fixed. After Sateri, we will stop at Turvesolmu. Let's see what happened over there. Yeah, that junction is good. Then we stop at Nihtisilta. Even that junction seems all good now. And the following stop then is here at Hentanauki. So seems right. Okay. Oh, wait. We're gonna over here. And now we're gonna finish it off. That's it. And I think these buses run quite often. I think it's up to 10 minutes or something like that. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's right. Something like 10 minutes or so. So let's go to passenger service. Then let's go to previous Lions City, or the previous Wima, as it is in this fantasy universe I'm living in. Let's clone it. Okay, come on. Thank you. So every 10 minutes it is. And the line it runs is 5:20. There we go. And then let's go back to lines. So every 10 minutes, that's 12 buses. That's quite something. So that was number 2, and this is number 3. Then we get to number, it can't be 12 buses. I'm absolutely... Well, using basic maths, it actually is 12 buses, but I still don't wish to believe that. Okay, that's it. So, rows have been built, line has been created, buses have been bought, and everything's up and running. There will be a new video tomorrow, so until then, bye!